Hello everyone, welcome to Agila's Insights, a channel for lifelong learning. Thanks for liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing the channel. Today's topic is reinfection by coronavirus. Persistent viral shedding. CDC, Center for Disease Control, acknowledges that in some cases people have tested positive after recovered from the viral infection. Persistent viral shedding. The patient who have recovered can have low levels of virus for up to 3 months after the infection. Maybe they will not get sick or transmit the disease to others, but it can be detected by diagnostic tests. A person who was reinfected was diagnosed. The viral specimen was collected and tested for the genome sequence of the virus for the first and the second infection of the same person. This result was compared. The genome sequence analysis showed the two different variants of novel coronavirus when they compared first and second infection of the same person. Coronavirus mutate with time and develops a small difference in the genetic makeup. In the person who was reinfected, the second time infected variant resembled closely to the virus circulating in Europe. The person who was reinfected traveled to Europe after recovery. That person might got infected in Europe and he was tested positive in airport while returning. The viruses belonging to coronavirus family, which is seasonal and causes respiratory illness, etc., affect large number of people every year. But COVID-19, which is caused by SARS-CoV-2, is different because no treatment is available till date. The cases of reinfection does not mean that everyone will be reinfected. Who can be reinfected? How long the infected person can remain protected from reinfection? There are no answers for all these questions. It is still under investigation. Reinfection happens from the different variants of the coronavirus. Most of the vaccines being developed are meant to provide protection against all variants of viruses. But once the vaccines are in use, there is a possibility that viruses are forced to mutate in new ways because of natural selection pressures. The virus may change in a form that cannot be targeted with the present vaccines. The lifelong protection of vaccine is questionable. Researchers points out that the vaccines may not be able to provide lifelong protection against COVID-19, but there it could be given periodically since they do not provide permanent protection. From this video, we understood that a reinfection of coronavirus can occur. It is our responsibility to keep ourselves safe because there are different variants of virus and the person can be infected even if he or she has recovered for the first time. It is always safe to be careful. Lockdown is relaxed almost in all the places. But this unlock does not mean that corona cases have decreased. We all have to be alert for the second wave, which will be still worse. Be safe till the vaccines come into circulation. If you feel that this video is useful for someone you think, share it. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notifications. Take care and be safe.